A lot of people struggle coming to the dentist. Some people don't sleep the night before they come to the dentist, even if all they're doing is getting a cleaning or a checkup. We do offer a wide variety of sedation for adults and for children. Something as simple as swallowing a little pill before you come to the dentist. I also have the laughing gas, the nitrous oxide, which is as goofy as it sounds. I also offer intravenous sedation, so where we do put in an IV line, give you medication that way. For kids, again, we have also oral sedation, so where they can drink a juice that is very similar effect to the intravenous in adults. We are partnering with the hospital, a surgical center, to offer general anesthesia. So for patients that need a ton of dental work, or for little patients that can't get the work done here in the clinic, we can get it all done for you.